See that guy? See that bird there? He's running the place now. The birds are taking over the city, like. They're just putting up buildings willy-nilly. Come on, look at this. They put buildings up all over the city. It's not too bad for me. I don't mind not going outside ever again because I'm kind of an indoors type, you know.
My flat is my environment.
So you don't have that crush anymore for saying
Mine. Ah! Got everything I need. Why go outside? Just get us some food. The birds have built a city that excludes us. And why? Because of what we've done to them.